Hey friends, if you wish to turn on or off filter keys on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So first of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select keyboard, and you'll find filter keys here. So you can turn it off, and you can also select its properties like this one, beep when the keys are pressed or accepted, or show the filter key icon on the taskbar. It shows it here, or keyboard shortcut for filter keys, and so on, like ignore repeated keystrokes, etc. You can also turn this on if you want to. So this is how you will turn on filter keys, and to turn it off in the same accessibility menu, turn the switch off. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.